It's the best thing I've ever done. And like I said, it's something that is so doable. You can sustain it. Like, it's not something that like you're going to start and want to like quit. Like, it's so easy to apply and keep going for the rest of your life. When COVID hit, I completely stopped doing everything. I had nothing set up at home. I didn't have any equipment. So I was like, okay, I guess I'm not going to be working out for some time. And then the weight came on. So I'm a big eater. Like, I eat what a grown man eats. So for me, the eating and then not working out was an issue. Whereas before it was like, okay, I'll eat, but like, because I'm working out, at least I'll maintain. I know I gained like 20 pounds. I've never gained that much in such a short span of time. So that's why, like, when I gained the weight, like, everyone's like, no, you still look fine. I'm like, no, but you don't know. Like, you don't know what it's like to look in the mirror and see something different than what you want. I'd end up craving, and then I'd binge, and it's like, okay, all the dieting clearly didn't work, and I gained it all back. So yeah, like, it was horrible. This is the first sort of program where I actually was like, this is so doable. I can stick to this. Now every day I feel good. Like, whereas before, like, in the back of my mind, it's like a stress, or the second I'd start to eat, I'd be like, oh my God, should I be eating this? And after I'd eat it, I'd feel like crap, and I'd be thinking about it all day. Like, it would be on my mind all day. Now, because it's like healthy options, I eat it, I don't feel bad. It's not like a constant stress that I'm thinking about. Now it's opened up my mind to think about like other things and other hobbies and things like I want to focus on that are happy. Because like feeling out of control is the worst feeling. And I felt that like my whole life with food and diet. So the fact that that was actually the thing that became the thing I can control in a world of like no idea what's gonna happen, like it was huge. It's huge. It's like such a shift to look back on, like, when before Fit Queen, like I can't even like begin to imagine what I was like back then. It's crazy. And it wasn't even that long ago. But yeah, like anyone that has asked me about it, I'm like, this is such a life changer.